Want to download a Twitter video directly to your photo gallery? It's super simple, and I'll guide you through it step by step. First, open the Twitter.x app on your device and find the video you want to save. Once you've located it, tap on the Share button and select Copy Link to Tweet. This will copy the video's URL to your clipboard. Now, exit the Twitter app and open any web browser, Safari, Chrome, or any browser you prefer. In the search bar, type Twitter Video Downloader and press Enter. One of the top results should be a website like SSSTwitter. Tap to open it. On the downloader website, you'll see a field where you can paste the copied link. Once pasted, hit the download button, and the site will fetch the video from Twitter. You'll then be presented with options to download it in different resolutions. Choose HD, or the highest quality available for the best experience. After selecting your preferred resolution, the video will start downloading. Once complete, it will automatically save to your photo gallery, ready to be shared or viewed anytime. And that's it. You've successfully saved a Twitter video to your device. If you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and stay tuned for more tips.